Good morning! Good morning guys! Happy Wednesday! Day off and then nag-ready lang ako. Simple get ready lang kasi sasamahan ko si asawa ko pupunta doon sa hall niya, sa work office niya guys kasi meron lang siyang mga itatanong. And then nagsishave lang po siya. Pagkatapos namin pumunta doon, then we're gonna come back and maybe I'll stop by at my friend's house kasi meron po akong kukunin dahil kailangan niyang i-return for some emergency. It's my jewelry. Pero okay lang yan. And gawa muna tayo ng coffee. Coffee! Lamig at ako sa sakyan niya. Papunta na po kami. Okay, I will. Yes, alarm muna tayo sa bahay natin. Dahil para aware tayo kung meron bang pupunta. Tsaka in case lang guys ba, merong gustong magnakaw doon. Wala namang mananakaw doon guys dahil wala namang ano doon.
We need to make sure we turn it on when
Right.
nobody's there at all.
Yup, truth. So papunta na kami guys. Sana may maganda yung balita, no? Tingnan na lang natin.
Oh, Mr.
Ang aking kasama for today's video. You don't need to gas up?
Dress up?
Gas up.
Yeah.
OMG, I'm so cold. Ang lamig talaga, guys.
I
Anyway.
always gas up just because
In case of Amar.
when you're down the hill.
Guys, dito kami ngayon sa gasoline station kasi magpapagas up yung aking afam. Andun siya. Si asawa ko. Kasi every time po kami bumababa, no, we do really need to make sure we have plenty of gas. Kasi in case of traffic man doon sa baba or whatsoever, at least full tank. Alam mo na, full tank. So, ito yung papel guys. Ang pupuntahan na namin sa office ni asawa ko, hoping, kasi ito yung from his doctor, hoping na i-accept nila. Kasi kapag hindi, wala tayong magawa guys. Waiting pa rin talaga tayo sa process ng asawa ko. It's like taken forever but kasi kapag na-approve siya, we will get all the back pays. Diba? Sayang pa yun. Baka dahil dun makabuild pa ako ng isa pang house sa Philippines. Yung sa Camellia House guys. Pangarap. Anyway guys, so tara. Let's go na naman. What hon?
They got nachos
Oh really?
and tacos.
Can you go look?
You go.
Pupuntahan niya yan. May nachos daw doon sa loob. Ay, hala. Nachos. Ay, hindi niya makita. Pero doon sa likod, guys. May store kasi yan dyan. Yan. May nachos, may tacos sa loob. Sa totoo lang kasi, no, ayaw ko kasing kumain while he's driving kasi ganyan yung sasakyan. Anyway, tingnan natin. Baka masarap.
Legally, like first you got to close the border. No, none of this running across the border. Okay. When I come here, you got to apply just like everybody else.
Guys, malapit na kami guys sa hall ng asawa ko. May gasoline station dyan. Actually, maganda ang weather dito. Merong restaurant din doon guys. Oh, I'm hungry actually. So, we will
You pay
see.
taxes for them to pay for them goons. Hey, don't film me without my permission.
You give me your permission or not, I'm still gonna film you. Because you are mine. Malapit na. So, it took us... How long did it take us? 30 minutes? 45 minutes?
About 35 minutes.
Ay, malapit lang pala guys. About 45 minutes.
Not quite.
Fingers crossed.
What are they doing?
What are they doing?
There's somebody in the road.
Broke down or what?
Yeah.
Careful. Oh, poor
Poor
guy.
guy.
Oh no. Sira ata yung ano niya guys.
Broken.
na nasira yung kanyang sasakyan. Kawawa naman. Oh, watch out. Para siyang
Black Angus Steakhouse.
para siyang Chinese or Japanese person, tapos matanda na siya, kawawa naman. Maganda dito guys, oh. It's like clean, very nice, greeny, stuff like that. Puro to mga, it's all like work building, right? It's not like apartment or stuff.
Yeah, this is all business.
Yeah, business, I mean pala guys, business building. Here we are. So yung office nila, dito nga. Look, don IBEW pop 477. Ayan guys, hindi makita. Yan, kita na ba? Ayan.
School right there.
Oh, school for the electricians.
Yeah.
Nice. Ito pala yung school ng mga electrician guys. But it's only for local 477 though, right? Or
No, it's for
everybody?
Riverside too.
Ah, okay. May hospital. That a hospital there? May hospital din na konti doon,
No,
guys.
that's hospitality.
Oh, hospitality pala. Office din pala yan, guys. Anyway, tara, pasok tayo.
Same, it's medical. Fix you. You going?
Oh, you want me to or no? It's up to you.
It's up to you.
I'll just stay here.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're gonna be mad at me.
Okay, I'm going with you.
Don't look at camera.
Huh? It's not allowed?
What?
Camera?
No.
Is it good news?
Well, we'll have to talk about everything.
Okay. Said okay. Tapos na.
Keep on working.
Pauwi na kami.
Huh?
Oh, it's so cold. Oh, really? That's what she said?
No.
At least nice weather.
Once.
One time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, they want to make sure you're fine. Right? Alright, let's go see your dad.
I can easily throw up.
Andito, hold my hand. Andito na si Gabriel. Kasi mabilis lang to siya mag-gag ba. Para kung nagaganito. Kasi meron nga lang yan siyang iniisip. Para na siyang masusuka. So, siguro, akala nila may ano. So, at least, did you puke a lot? A lot?
No.
Oh, there's your dad. I forgot he bought a, I forgot he bring truck right here. Get up there. There you go. Backpack off. But it's off for 2 days. Yay! Are you happy you're off for 2 days? Today and tomorrow. No?
He
But
wants to go to school.
yeah, but she said if you are not gonna puke today,
He could go tomorrow.
then you can go. You can go back. They're working on the road here. Hi guys, we are home. Kanina pa actually. Nakatulog na nga po ako. Ken wants to be a motivational speaker. Why not? If that's his career, the path that he wants to take, go for it, Kent.
He
Right?
graduates next year, doesn't he?
I don't think so.
Next school year, when he turns 16, people graduate when they turn 16.
Right, but he's going to another school, correct?
Yeah, that doesn't change.
My labadami is ready to go, guys. Maglaba tayo, pero hugasan na muna natin ang mga plato. And I'm gonna make some dinner while the labahan is labang-laba.
Are you gonna go to trade school.
Yeah, I would suggest trade school because that's cheap, plus they make pretty good money. But you have to think what you really wanna be, you know? What are you good at?
Or dentist on a yearly salary, they get paid $75.
Yeah, and motivation.
So, what motivational speaker do? Like, about what?
Like they talk about life.
Oh. Okay. Why not?
Like, for example, it's okay to make.
Ah, okay. You can do that too. Ayan guys, nasalang na po natin ang ating mga labahan. So right now, I'm preparing a dinner. Ang dinner po ng aking asawa at mga bagets salmon at saka vegetable. At saka nagluto na din ako ng rice guys. So, kasi magra-raffle ako mamaya. Alam mo na guys, raffle is life. Yan natin. Para ma-detect naman yung ating face. Sure. Kuha muna tayo ng vegetable. Alam niyo, gusto ko talaga mag-siomai ba? Kaya lang, wala akong time. Ay, i-boil pala muna natin guys. Let's boil the water pala. Yan. Let's boil the water. Tapos, pag nag-boil na to siya, dyan na natin ilalagay ang ating pagkatapos, then at least, dadalhin ko si Kuya sa gym, and then, isa-serve ko na yung dinner. Ganyan. Ganyan, guys. Time check, it's 7:34 na po ng gabi. And currently, guys, mga bata nasa kanila ng kwarto kasi nag-dinner na po sila. Sorry. And I am making my boil water kasi yan. Tada! Kasi guys, mag-green tea po tayo. Mag-green tea tayo guys kasi napa-cheat day tayo kanina. Dahil kumain po tayo ng kahit na ano. So green tea. Green tea guys is a must. Anyway. Ito yung ginagamit ko. I use Lipton. Lipton green tea. Kasi, wala lang. Okay lang. Ganda kasi siya mag-inom guys before bedtime. Kasi the other day, last night pala ang ininom ko is yung ba tawag nito? Yung aking pangpatae. Which is the juice. Pampatae ko yun pagka the next day guys dahil nga hindi ako everyday nagtatae. So, I do drink yung green tea na yun. So, ayun na, kumulo na siya guys. So, ito lang.